Welcome back to another vlog. I'm on the way home from work. It is Friday. I have zero plans for tonight, which I am kind of excited for. Seamus's nights again tonight. This is his last night, and then he goes into 2 weeks of days. I was going to head over to my mom and dad's for supper. Dad's cooking spaghetti and meatballs. My mom isn't feeling well though. She sounds terrible. She doesn't have COVID, but she's not feeling good, so I'm probably not gonna go over. Normally I would go over, but I'm nervous to get sick because I don't want to be off work. Right now I don't hold a position at the hospital, so when I'm sick I don't get paid. I was talking to my mom on the phone and she understands that, so I'm probably gonna stay home so I don't get sick. I would like to go to the movies or something, but I might be getting together tomorrow night with my friends Jen and Megan, so they won't want to do anything tonight. Or I might just have a movie night in with Chipperman. I'm gonna feed Chip when I go home and then decide what I'm gonna do with my night. But I might just have a relaxing night in. Okay, I just got back from walking with Chip. My glasses are just unfogging, but we are gonna go get takeout. Seamus won't be home for a little while, so Chip and I are gonna go in the car and get something to eat. I have chicken in the fridge that I was gonna cook, but I've decided that it's Friday, and me and Chippy are gonna eat out. You can't see him, but we were coming back from the walk, and I said, Chip, do you wanna go in the car? And he like took off towards the house. So that's what we're gonna do. I got Thai Express for supper, but I went through the drive-thru at Wendy's to get a lemonade. The girl working saw Chip and asked if he could have a Frosty, so she gave him like a little mini Frosty. He's making a mess, but he loves it. It's Saturday, January 28th. Not sure when you're watching this. I may have put yesterday's and today's together because I didn't film too much yesterday, but we'll see. But Chip and I just went for a walk, and I'm now putting Pepsi in this little container that I have for the fridge. Seamus likes Diet Pepsi, and for a while now you can't buy like just Diet Pepsi, regular Diet Pepsi in a can anywhere other than like bulk stores. So we've been buying like the caffeine free one. You can obviously buy them in the bottles, but you can't get them in the cans for some reason. So he found these at a bulk store near us. Yeah, so he bought them at like a bulk store. It's kind of like Costco. It's called Running Man. They sell Costco things just for a little bit more money because we don't have a Costco near us, so it's easier to go there. But I literally just woke up, put clothes on, and went out for Chip's walk. So I need to get in the shower. So I'm going to get in the shower, but first I'm going to do some laundry. Very full laundry thing. If you watched my previous vlogs, you know Seamus and I wash our laundry separately because he works in a coal mine and our washer is kind of messed up from that. So I try to keep our clothes separate. This is our closet, and I keep my laundry hamper in here, and as you can see, it's very full. So I got a shower and I'm going to decorate my friend Jenna's cake that I made her. Her birthday was on Thursday and it's now Friday. I was gonna do a small get together with Jenna and my other friend Megan, but Megan can't come tonight. So I think me and Jenna and Seamus and her husband Justin are gonna get some takeout and just come over here for a little bit. So I'm gonna make her a birthday cake. I have vanilla funfetti here with vanilla buttercream. I needed butter though for the cookies and I didn't want to go to the grocery store. Everyone watching this probably has the DoorDash app. You can order stuff to get dropped off, but I don't think we ever had it in the town where I live. So it's available now. So I ordered some butter and a few other things that I needed through DoorDash. There is a charge for DoorDash and then you can tip your driver too. But it saves me time from going to the grocery store, so I'm gonna do it. And they just drop it off at your door. But when I was checking out, when I checked out and it says like it's on the way or whatever, it says you can add on another like order from a different store. So McDonald's popped up, so I added on a 10-piece nugget meal. So that's coming too. And I literally think they just drop it off at your door and knock and walk away and then you just go out and get it. So that's pretty good and dangerous that I can do that now. Because if you literally wanted ice cream at whatever time and someone was available to do your order, you could just get ice cream delivered, which is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go and decorate the cake.